Hi everyone, this is a quick demo on consolidating Ohm's law learning via simulation. As Ohm's law states, the voltage across a resistor is equal to the current passing through that resistor multiplied by the value of that resistor. So this is a quick and small circuit. Basically, we have two resistors here in series and two in parallel. The total resistance in parallel here is half kilo ohm with 4.5 that give you 5 kilo ohms. So 12 divided by 5 that give you 2.4. So the total current passing through this circuit would be 2.4 milliamps. Now that 2.4 milliamps is passing through that resistor. So it means that the voltage drop across that resistor would be 2.4 milliamps multiplied by this 1 kilo ohm here, and that should give you 2.4 voltage. And to verify this, you can bring a multimeter here, put it across the resistor, and that should give you 2.4 voltage. Make sure it's pressed on V and it is DC voltage. Similarly, the voltage across this resistor here would be 1.2 milliamps. Why 1.2 milliamps? Because that 2.4 got split into equal current here, because these two resistors have equal value. So the current passing through this resistor would be 1.2 milliamps, and the voltage drop across R3 would be 1.2 milliamps multiplied by 1, and that should give you 1.2 voltage. And if you use this voltage prop here, that should give you 1.2 voltage. Okay, and the reference point of that node here is basically the ground. So that would be 1.2 minus 0, that would be 1.2 volt anyway. If you want to verify this, you can drop a multimeter again here across that resistor. Double click here, that should give you 1.2 volt. Okay, I hope this has been informative for you. All the best.